Okay, Mapua Letran. So, etong Mapua Letran game shows how a team should play basketball. No? You must execute offensively, pero dapat you must also execute defensively. You must execute both sides of the ball. Kasi most players today, especially in the modern day, execute only on the offensive side of the floor, not the defensive side of the floor. Pero hindi nila nalalaman na kapag ka sila ay dumedepensa rin, meron silang roster spot. Kahit na hindi sila masyadong umiscore, meron silang example na lang, Dennis Rodman. Bakit lagi siyang may roster spot sa championship teams? Hindi naman siya umi-score. And sometimes, nililabel nga ng mga tao na super team yung Chicago Bulls with the second repeat, yung 96 to 98 team ng Chicago Bulls, kasi nga with Rodman's defensive and rebounding capabilities. Hindi tinignan ng tao yung offensive aspect ni Dennis Rodman, kasi wala kang makikita. Ang nakikita ng tao ron, kaya super team yun, dahil rebounding and defense. So ganun yung ginawa ng Mapua, umi-score sila, but at the same time ang daming turnovers, tapos yung mga offensive rebounding no early part of the game nakukuha pa nila. Escamis is doing his thing as the reigning MVP. He is doing his thing as isa sa pinakamagaling na dumipensa in a guard position, parang ganyan. Nakasupalpal nga. May isa nga siyang highlight na drop pass, dapat libre na yun, pero hinabol niya, nasupalpal niya. So ibig ko sabihin, masipag na sila sa opensang mag-execute, walang bakawan, pero at the same time, dumidikdik sila o dumidiin sila sa depensa, bumobomba sila sa depensa din. Pag bumobomba ka o nagtatrabaho sa depensa, nakakahawa yan. Kumbaga pag dumepensa ka, naagaw mo yung bola, pass break layup, transition points. Pag na-steal mo yung bola, transition points, easy basket, walang kahirap-hirap. Ang nagfo-fuel ng offense mo is your defense. Parang ganon. Kasi minsan, akala kasi nung iba, dahil nakita sila Curry, ang nagpo-fuel kasi dun sa iba is yung shooting. No. Some teams, their defense is fueling their offense. Because, pag na-steal nila yung bola, pass break layup, pass break dunk, or pull up 3. Transition 3 pa nga. Kasi pag ganun yung ginagawa mo, nahahawa yung buong team. Kahit kumuha ng rebound, sisipagan na nila kasi ganado na silang maglaro. Yun yung ginawa ng Mapua over Letran. Kumbaga parang dinurog yung Letran. Bumabalik yung Letran pero halatang hindi na pinaporma. So, yun lang po.